In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Monday.com board templates seamlessly. Whether you're new to Monday.com or simply want to explore the wide range of templates available, this guide will help you navigate the Template Center with ease and confidence. Monday.com has an excellent resource known as the Template Center, and it's packed with a variety of options to suit different project needs. Whether you're setting up a new project, managing workflows, or just want some inspiration, these templates can be incredibly useful. To start off, let's head over to the Template Center. There are a couple of ways to get there, so feel free to choose the one that feels most intuitive for you. First, take a look at the left panel of your workspace. You'll notice a plus icon right next to the name of your current workspace. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done so, a menu will pop up, and within that menu, you'll see the option for the Template Center. Click on that, and you're in. Alternatively, if you find yourself exploring various features of Monday.com, there's another simple method to access the Template Center. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, and you'll notice a grid icon. When you click on it, a menu listing all the available Monday.com apps will appear. From this menu, simply select Template Center, and voila, you'll find yourself right where you need to be. Once you've made it to the Template Center, you're greeted with a plethora of templates. It's structured in a way that makes finding exactly what you need straightforward and hassle-free. On the left-hand side of this center, there's a panel allowing you to browse through different categories of templates. This categorization makes it easy to pinpoint templates designed specifically for tasks like project management, marketing campaigns, HR processes, and much more. It's a great feature if you're looking for something within a particular realm of activity. However, if you have a specific template in mind, or perhaps you've heard about a template and want to give it a try, there's a convenient search bar located just above these categories. You can type in keywords related to the template you're looking for, and it will quickly bring up your options. After finding a template that interests you, click on it to open a preview. This will give you a glimpse into what the template includes and how it can serve your needs. Once satisfied, just click on Use Template, and it's yours to customize and adapt. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide on accessing and using Monday.com board templates. The Template Center is a treasure trove of pre-built setups that can significantly streamline your productivity processes. So go ahead and make the most of these resources. Happy organizing!